It was once said that a positive outlook is the difference between a dream and a reality. In fact, a positive outlook doesn't just make dreams come true, it also has a profound effect on one's mind and body. Studies show that a positive outlook can help boost your immune system, reduce anxiety, and even assist with personal aspirations like diet, fitness, and weight management. But despite these amazing benefits, many of us struggle with daily positivity because of the hectic and often unpredictable demands of everyday life. That is why we created Illume, a mood-balancing CBD capsule that stimulates a positive mental outlook. How does Illume work? By combining the body-balancing benefits of CBD with other active ingredients like saffron, Illume promotes a sense of calm with your nervous system. Together, they help boost feelings of joy and happiness and promote positivity within the mind. According to clinical research, saffron extract, one of the main ingredients in Illume, has been shown to reduce the severity of mood-related PMS symptoms by up to 50%. This product is also a natural appetite suppressant and may help support healthy eating habits. If you're dealing with bad moods, experiencing mood imbalance, or simply want to help brighten your outlook, try Illume. To experience positivity, take 1 to 4 capsules with a full glass of water daily as needed. Then, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and remind yourself just how wonderful you are and how amazing life can be. After all, everything is better when you live with a positive outlook.